No, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams into modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Hi guys, good morning traders. So I'm Ria, आपकी दोस्त, आपकी host and आपकी trader, and I'm back with today's live trading. And let me, oh yeah, now the camera is much better. तो कैसे हो आप लोग? Hope you guys are doing well. Okay, and hope you guys are doing well. Just a little recap. Okay, just a little recap yesterday ka. Do you guys remember I said कि 8 events आने वाले थे yesterday, and especially the NFP जो आने वाला था. So yeah, so why don't we go just go check the NFP once. Just give me a second. Oh, I think my team needs me. Okay. Thank you. I have a very reliable team. Okay. Online live आने से पहले I was just going through the chart, that what is happening. So then I thought क्यों ना मैं पूरा analysis आप लोग के साथ ही करती हूँ. On the chart, that'll be easier. Just give me a second. Okay, and there we are. So let us go and let's go to Forex Factory. सबसे पहले. You guys can see, right? Yes. You guys can see. Okay. Forex Factory. Yesterday, you guys remember मैंने आपको कहा था, look at these events that are going to come out at around 5:30 here in the UAE. जो India के लिए it's around 7. Okay, so 5:30, 5:30, 5:30, 5:30, somewhere here. I mean, till then, let me just go. I'm in H1 right now. Just go to M30 and see what is happening. M30 पे it's in consolidation right now. But जब कल की बात आती है, जब event declare हुआ था, it was at around this area. उसके बाद it mostly went in consolidation. Interesting. Okay, so I'll refresh this. Okay, let's just look at yesterday's events. क्या क्या हुआ था, like what were the results? NFP जिसको हम लेके सबसे ज़्यादा मतलब I was looking forward to, it came in positive. Okay. Number of employed people during the previous month, positive, which is good. Okay. So gold buy में जा रहा है. So what are the others? Unemployment rate came in negative. Okay, so that is where the balance happened. That also 4.6%. Oops, never mind. Okay, that's quite interesting. I always like to refresh जब भी मैं वो online जाती हूँ on trading view. मुझे refresh करना पसंद है. Just like refreshing your mind, refresh the page. Just let me see, you guys can see, right? Yeah, you guys can see. आज मैं सुबह सबसे पहले ही आ गई, right, trading करने में. I was like कि let's not waste time. I was quite excited to see the results because मुझे देखना था that what are the changes, because कल evening से exactly मैं online नहीं आई थी. I didn't look at the chart because यहाँ पे दुबई में the weather is I won't say it's bad, but cloudy हो गया है. It's quite windy and rain बोल रहा है that it will rain. And last year, if you guys remember, when it rained really badly in Dubai, flooding ho gaya tha. So I was a little worried about that. So usko leke I was just thinking ki, kya karna hai? Should I get supplies and keep in my house? What to do? So usko leke मैं थोड़ी busy हो गई थी कल. So I did not look at the chart at all. Then today morning भी मैं सोच रही थी क्या करूँ, ऑफिस जाऊँ सबको, should I tell everyone to work from home? This whole thing was going on. So अभी first time right now I'm looking at the chart with you guys. इसके पहले अभी तक मैंने ऐसा ज़्यादा देखा ही नहीं था. Live आने के like maybe 5 minutes पहले I just opened the indicator and the chart and I was like, okay, let me just go through it. Good morning, Mohit. Good morning, Mr. Sharma. Good morning, Rahul. Good morning, guys. Okay, that was good, sir. Okay. Let's go to the indicator and see what is going on और हम कहाँ पे trade लेंगे. Okay, I'm at H1 and 30 पे. What is the scenario? It's going sideways. Like यहाँ पे it's showing sideways. Did say sell. One thing I really love about our indicator is repaint नहीं होता है. So अगर कुछ indicate किया है indicator ने, अगर by chance, you know how the market is. Okay, accuracy is 90%, but still that 90% is there. So after that, okay, अगर something doesn't work or the market changes its mind, there's no repainting. Okay, so जो दे दिया है वो दे दिया है. तो आप लोग भी देख सकते हो इस चीज को. That is one thing I like. Transparency. ओके, जो है आपके सामने है, नो क्वेश्चन, नो चेंजिंग, नो नथिंग. That was something when we were in creation of this, so we were very particular about that we'll be very transparent with you guys. I mean, that is why Trade Masters OG हमारा जो group है, we came into being, right? I mean, we are pro traders, analysts who came together. हमने एक group बनाया, फिर हमने सोचा why don't we reach out to the public and start, getting people, in the community, start helping with them with trading, because there are a lot of people जिनको सीखना था trading. So we were like, fine, yeah, we will analyze it for you. Then we came up with the indicator, we came up with the EA, we have our VIP group, you guys can join. So, we are trying our best to come up with ideas, to come up with services that will help you guys with your trading. And why not? Why not? Okay. Coming back. Oh, God. Hmm. The indicator is also not exactly telling me to take a trade right now, and I agree. Again, I agree. But I can take one trade. Where's my phone? I keep losing it from time to time. Okay. Hmm. There, I just got a message. तो फिर, I mean, I can take a buy. What if I take a... Okay, let me just go back to trading view and just see exactly what is happening there. So if I analyze the chart, it'll be easier for me to understand what is the trade that I want to take. Because right now the indicator is not giving me a lot. Okay, that is not the indicator's fault. This is what the trade I took yesterday. Mm, this is the resistance. This is the resistance. This is more like the demand zone. But there is no retouch. There was a retouch here. This was a good place to take a buy. I'm sorry, आप लोग देख सकते हो, right? Yeah. Okay, this was a good place to take a buy. Never mind, that is not the point here. I'm in 1 hour time frame right now. So, well, ideally, ये वाला जो कैंडल अभी फॉर्म हो रहा है, इसने अगर इस वाले एरिया को टच कर लिया, देयर इज अ रीटेस्ट, मैं यहाँ पे सेल की एंट्री लूंगी. ओके, दैट इज नॉर्मली माय स्ट्रैटेजी. ओके, बट बिकॉज मैं लाइव अभी आई हूँ, ओके, एंड दिस इज द टाइम मैं लाइव आऊंगी. लेट मी जस्ट गो बैक एंड सी यू गाइज हैव एनी क्वेश्चन. डू यू गाइज हैव एनी क्वेश्चन? Wait. There you are. Okay, so because this is the time I have come live and because I took the vote आप लोगों से and आप लोगों को morning का time चाहिए था, this is the slot you guys chose, so I will take a trade. तो फिर आप लोग मेरे साथ trade कर पाओगे. Okay, but ideally, I'm sorry, but ideally it's a little difficult at times managing so many phones. Okay, but ideally I would be waiting इसका रीटेस्ट होने पे. ये जब इस लेवल को 4350 के लेवल को रीटेस्ट करेगा तब मैं सेल लूंगी. आइडियली दैट्स माय स्ट्रैटेजी. सो मैं अभी आप लोगों के लिए, आप लोगों के साथ ट्रेड करने के लिए आई एम गोइंग टू टेक अ ट्रेड. ओके, सो होप आप लोग, you guys understood how my strategy works or how I work, to be very precise. आप लोग को क्या लगता है? Should I take a sell or a buy? Should I take a sell or a buy? It has crossed this, it has crossed the NFL line. So just it should be touching this. Okay. Okay, so आप लोग प्लीज मुझे चैट में बताइए आप लोग को क्या लगता है. Okay, because I just took a decision. So आप लोग को क्या लगता है? Let me hear from you guys, from you traders, that what you guys think I should be taking. Okay, do you guys think I should be doing a buy or do you think I should be doing a sell? Mohit. Okay, Mohit thinks sell. Okay. Okay, ideally. Oh God. Why am I getting a message now? People. Well, sell is exactly what even I was thinking. Where is my... Yeah. Sell is what exactly even I was thinking at this point. So, okay. एक small lot के साथ, let's take a sell. Okay, but normally I keep my lot as 0.05, 0.03. But this time, I'll keep my lot at 0.02. Let's do that. Okay. Lot size 0.02. As usual, I'm taking my entry here at 4331. Okay. Wait, let me see. आप लोग क्या देख रहे हो? Okay. Yes. Oh, I forgot to change the screen only. That's how I decided to. Okay. So I took my buy here at 4331. Sorry, I took my sell here at 4331. Okay. So now I have to put the SL. 3131. Okay, where did I... Just going back to the trading view. I did put the 350. 350 is too much, I feel. So I'm not gonna keep it that much. Okay. Obviously, I'm not gonna keep my SL that much. Five zero is यहाँ पे, in this line, but that is... Okay. I'm gonna keep 4354. I'm going to keep more room this time. 4350. Normally 4350. 4354, sorry. 4354 is my SL. And my TP. So this is 12, 24, 33, 43, 53, 20. 300. Yeah, 4300. The end of this wick. I mean, I can keep it a little bigger than that because it'll be 24, 25, 33. Yeah, 4300. Let's keep it 4300. Okay, and sell. So as you guys can see, मैंने अभी trade लिया आप लोगों के सामने. Okay, I went short as usual, like I did yesterday, I will write down the trade so आप लोग भी देख पाओ, and if you guys want, you can trade as well. Okay, I'll write it down right here. Oh, hori. My coffee is too close. Okay, so I went short. Okay, or you can say sell. आप लोग को जो easy हो. Entry was at 4332. Okay, SL. SL is at 4354. 4354. Okay, and TP is at 4300. 4300. And lot is 0.02. 0.02. Okay. So that is, you guys can see, yeah. So, and that is the trade which I just took. And yes, right now I'm just taking one trade because as I said, ideally मैं इसका wait करती यहाँ तक touch होने के लिए, उसके बाद I would have taken a trade. But because I'm live and I want to trade with you guys, so this is the trade I took. Okay, fire. So यहाँ पे why don't I also show you guys? Entry 4332. Okay, so my stop loss is at 4354. Okay, and my TP is at 4300. Okay, guys, this is right now, this is the trade I took. Do you guys have any question regarding this? Let me know. Let me go back to the chat. Hi, guys. Okay. Because resistance पर जाएगा तब overbought होगा gold. I agree. So that is why, as I said, ideally मैं wait करती यहाँ पे touch होने के लिए. Okay, so but as I said, मैं live अभी आ रही हूँ, so I thought I'll take a trade. इसमें मैं second trade नहीं ले रही, and I kept my lot size also small. Okay, so yeah. If this would have touched this and wait करने के बाद, then I would have kept my ideal lot size and taken 3 to 4 trades at once. Okay, but I'm not doing it. I am not doing that. So let us see. Let us see how it goes. Okay. We're going to wait and see how it goes. Tap tak. Okay. So यहाँ पे my trade is on. So, okay. So guys, there were a few questions हमें पूछा गया था मुझे मेरे team पे, especially Rex and Vix traders को, about using our indicator for scalping and intraday. Okay, and I'm mostly an intraday trader. I prefer that. Okay, but a lot of people who are scalping, they said that because I come online and मैं उनके time frame पे ज़्यादा trade नहीं करती, they wanted to know about how to use the indicator, if it will be accurate or not about for scalping. Okay, so I decided why don't I just talk about that. तो फिर आप लोग भी देख लो अगर if you guys are scalpers, आप लोग भी देख सकते हो. Okay, that how much. Yes. Well, if the team needs me, the team needs me. Okay, so आप लोग भी देख सकते हो. Maybe मुझे buy लेना चाहिए था. Okay, so as I was saying, scalping के लिए how to use the indicator. So as you can see, our indicator, I'll just change this. Our indicator you can use, let's go to, right now I'm in H1. Okay, I normally shift between H1, H30 and H15. मैं इनमें ही shift होती रहती हूँ. Okay, because that's how I work. But those who are scalping, उनके लिए you guys can obviously go to M1. And when you go to M1, you guys will have all these options. आप देख सकते हो, you have all these options that you can use. That will be easy for you guys because it's not that सिर्फ H1 M30 पे ही हमारा indicator gives you signals or gives you where to enter, but also advises you in M1. So yes, those who are scalping, you guys can easily use our indicator, कोई problem नहीं होगा. But yes, if you ask about accuracy, the most accuracy, H1. Okay, but doesn't mean you can't use this. Okay, absolutely. Please don't question, because as I said, we try our best to give you guys the best product that we can. Okay, so अब तो मुझे और भी feeling आ रही है buy लेनी चाहिए थी. So there are two ways I can go ahead. So there are two ways I can go ahead right now. Either because मैंने lot size कम लिया था, either I can let this be and I can take a bigger lot size and take a buy. Okay, same, I'll keep the same scenario, bigger lot size, take a buy. Okay, that will to reap the losses. That is if it hits the SL. That is another way I can go about. So what do you guys think? Let's talk to you guys. Let's go back to my conversation. So what do you guys think? ये trade तो चल रहा है. Okay. ये trade तो चल रहा है. Like a lot of times you see the chart, you take a trade and you're like, okay, maybe it's not going in your favor because I took a smaller lot size. I had my own doubts over this. So the second way what I can do is, अभी मैं, since मैंने sell लिया था इसके पहले, wait, let me just show you guys. Since मैंने sell लिया था, so other thing I can do is right now take a buy with a bigger lot size and keep the levels same. So I will obviously, reap the losses. That is another way of doing it. Decisions. मैं और भी 2-3 मिनट वेट करूंगी, उसके बाद I can maybe do that. I'll keep this on also. Why am I getting? So I'm going to wait for like, say 5 more minutes. Okay, I'm just and let me just see what's happened. Let me just see the 5 minutes candle. Let me go to 5 minutes and check what is happening. And wahan pe, then I can take a decision. I think I'm going to continue with this now that 15 minutes में what is the scenario. Because ये जो back trend आप देख सकते हो, the trend at the back M30. Okay, 30 minutes frame में it's consolidation, it's going sideways. 15 minutes it's red, which is buy, and H1 में also it is red. But वैसे तो sell का आ रहा है. Okay, let's counter it. Let's counter it with what I'm saying. Okay, I'm going to counter it with that. I'm going to keep this trade. My trade cancel nahi karungi. I'm going to keep it. Okay, now this is actually this is a good thing that happened because a lot of times my strategy use karti hu. Again, this is my strategy. There's nothing wrong, there's nothing right. Always remember, guys, till time strategies are concerned. It only depends on आप लोगों को कौन सी strategy suit करती है. Okay, it's always आप लोगों को कौन सी strategy suit करती है. Accordingly, you take. So what I'm going to do right now is Okay, I'm going to take a buy. That buy will help me. I'm going to keep this live. I'm not going to stop the trade, but I'm going to take a buy with a higher lot. Lot size over here I'm going to keep 0.05. इसके पहले का sell का lot size मैंने लिया था 0.02. Okay, there's going to be a difference in lot size as you guys heard. So let me see. मैं sell में क्या लूंगी? My entry is at 4331 again. Okay, so SL I'm going to keep the same. I'll keep almost the same levels. Okay, 4300 is जो मैंने TP रखा है SL के लिए, but over here, sorry, sell के लिए जो मैंने SL रखा. So 4300, I'm not going to keep that much. SL. $4307. 4306, 4307. That makes it 330. 13. 14. 4307. My SL is going to be 4307. Okay, so now comes to the TP. TP I'm going to keep 307 30 24 TP 4350. That I kept 4354, right? Somewhere there, 4354. I'm going to, because this is where I was going to keep it 350, but then I think I kept some space for the SL. So 4354. I'm going to keep it at 4354 TP. 4354 buy. Okay. Let me just compare 4307 as a. Okay, just to explain you guys what I just did. Okay, because I need to and my entry was at 4333. Okay, so starting from, you guys can see, right? Just to clarify, yeah. And my SL is at 4307 here, and my TP is at 4354. Right there. So let me just write it down. I went long, or I did buy. My entry was at 4333. Okay, my SL was at buy SL 4307. TP 4354. Okay, now comes my lot 0.05, which मैं normally रखती हूँ. Okay. I'm sure you guys are going to have multiple questions about this. Okay, so सबसे biggest difference here is the lot size. आप लोग देखोगे मेरा. Why I kept a small lot size during sell? I was going to keep 0.01, but then I thought let me just keep 0.02. Okay, it's because when I was taking that trade, मुझे confidence नहीं था ज़्यादा. Okay, because I wanted to honestly wait. So I thought I'll take a smaller lot size, and that is why I kept the playing ground for SL so much. मैं normally इतना भी नहीं रखती. For SL, I like to keep like 12 to 15 pips. Okay, this was quite a lot. Just so that you guys can see. This is the buy, that is the sell. So what I will do is, accordingly which side the market is going, okay, uske support mein I'm going to close the other trade. So this is how. I don't do this always, don't take me wrong guys, but at times, because a lot of times, yahan pe, as you can see the indicator, I'll show you guys again. As you can see, the indicator is not saying anything. Okay, at this right now. So I also ideally would have waited, but since I took a trade that now I felt was not going to go in my direction, so I just changed the trade and I took another one, but I still kept that open. Whichever one I feel is going in my favor, मैं वो open रखूंगी, दूसरा I'm going to close. Okay, but I think buy ही होगा. So I might close the sell का trade. Okay, so do you guys have any question? Let me go back and see the chat. If you guys have any question. Okay. Buy side ka please share logic. I just said about it. Mohit, about the logic that I shared. Okay, because like what happens sideways mein, okay, you don't know, like even the indicator is not showing me anything. तो उस time पे आपको नहीं पता मैं buy करूँ या sell करूँ. But एक वो होता है ना, okay, like my confidence is towards sell or my confidence is towards buy. So इस time पे, this is just, again, this is years of experimenting and a lot of things, and trading at the end of the day, there are going to be some losses, there are going to be profit. Idea is at the end of your target, आपका target 1 day हो सकता है, 1 week हो सकता है, 1 month हो सकता है. And the end of your target, आपका profit आपके loss से ज़्यादा हो. Okay, that is it. Because loss होगा ही होगा. As a trader, मैंने ये पहले भी बोला है, it is very important. आप किसी भी trader से पूछ लो. As a trader, in your head, you have to be psychologically ready. Loss होगा. जब loss होगा, take a deep breath. Okay, and clear your head. Whew, it's fine. Okay, so what I do, मैंने sell लिया था पहले. Okay, the moment I took sell because that is what it looked like. Okay, the moment I took sell, because मुझे ज़्यादा confidence भी नहीं था sell पे, I kept my lot size really small, 0.02. Okay, because मुझे confidence नहीं था, and then I saw कि okay, maybe buy के side में ज़्यादा जाएगा. The indicator, as you can see, indicator का back is red, which is also pulling towards buy. So I was like, okay, so let's take a buy. So I've kept them because it's going sideways. And let me go and show you M30. Okay. आप M30 में भी देख सकते हो, again it has become gray, so sideways जा रहा है. So I don't use this commonly or every day, but at times जो मैंने decision लिया है, because I was not confident with the sell I took, and I took it at a smaller lot size, and मैंने SL में इतना gap रखा because of the play. I took a buy जिसमें मुझे ज़्यादा confidence है, तो I kept the lot size normally जो मैं रखती हूँ, and again I gave it the same levels, so that now I will wait and see कि किस side ज़्यादा झुक रहा है, which side the market is going. जिसको favor कर रहा है, example buy को favor किया तो मैं अपना sell stop कर दूंगी, तो फिर I will not have a lot of loss, and buy का जो भी मेरा profit होगा, that will cover the loss and give me an extra profit. Okay, this is just one of the strategies. I mean, there are so many strategies that we use. This is one of the strategies. Because this whole thing happened right now, I think it's brilliant कि अभी live पे I could do this. So I could show you guys how one of the ways that I work. Again, it's after years of trading, learning, losing, ये सारे strategies have come up. मैम अभी बाई ही जाएगा. हाँ राहुल, देखते हैं. अगर बाई ही जाएगा तो आई विल जस्ट वेट फॉर सम मोर टाइम, सी, एंड देन आई एम गोइंग टू क्लोज माई सेल. तो फिर एज आई सेड, जो बाय का प्रॉफिट है वो मेरे सेल का जो लॉस है उसको कवर करके will give me more profit. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm so gonna close my cell. I'm gonna close my cell. Okay, guys. आप लोग को अगर आप लोग देख पाओ, right now the cell is in minus 10, 11 and my buy is in plus 22 and buy ही जाएगा, so I'm going to close my cell. There and done. There, this one. Done. So I closed my cell. I had minus 10. So I lost $10 and that's fine. That's fine because right now मेरा profit में 21 है. So I hope you guys like understood the way I won't say play the market, the way I use this strategy. Again, this is like one of the ways I use it. One of the strategies I use. But yes, this takes time. So agar this I'm just saying I'm on live for like over almost touching 40 minutes now. So this takes time. So if you guys are scalping, so maybe this is not something you would prefer, but you know, it's all up to you. This is something you guys can think of. Okay, anyways, so coming back to my thing. So intraday का तो मैंने आपको दिखाई दिया है how you guys can trade because that's what I do. Except for that, and I'm going to let this be. Except for that, those who are scalpers, you can easily use our indicator. Like आप लोग देख सकते हो यहीं पे 2 बाय के सिग्नल्स दे दिए थे and I'm in the 1 minute frame right now. Okay, यहाँ पे बाय का सिग्नल दे दिया था आपको, you know, they are giving you the TP, the SL. It's very convenient. Very convenient. Okay. So do you guys have any question? We are at the end. Why don't we do one thing? Why don't we go and just check क्या events होने वाले हैं आज? ये तो मैंने बंद ही कर दिया. Just yeah, I deleted. This is what I'm going to keep. Okay. So today is wow, it's Wednesday already. Okay. US में there's an FOMC speech by John Williams. Now John Williams is the president of the New York FOMC. Okay, yes, this is interesting and this is important. So FOMC members Williams speech, I'm going to keep my eye on that. Now why? Because again, he's the president and obviously the impact is not same as Powell, but it's going to have an impact. So this is something I'm going to keep my eye on, the FOMC speech. Bostic is also there, but I think Williams is what I'm more interested in right now. Okay. So do you guys have any questions for me? Do you guys have any questions for me? I'll just go back. Or else I will be ending the live for today. Okay, guys. So hope I could help you guys with the intraday and scalping. हमारा indicator use करके. And I was able to show you one of my strategy and I'm so excited, happy that I could do that. इसलिए तो मैं live आती हूँ because every day you don't know what time trade लूंगी. The reason मैं एक particular time पे live आती हूँ is because अगर मैं if I come live at any time of the day आप लोग के लिए difficult होगा. If I come at one particular time of the day, जैसे I took the vote, you guys wanted it in the morning, तो फिर it will be easy for you guys also to come live. कोई question है आप पूछ सकते हो, कोई trading का कुछ है पूछ सकते हो. Plus हम अगर आप नहीं आ पाए live हमारे साथ, it's fine. We are a group or Trade Masters OG, Trade Masters with an S and then an OG, just to clarify. ओके, सो हमारा ग्रुप है, तो जब कोई भी ट्रेड लेता है हमारे ग्रुप में, हम वो सिग्नल्स शेयर कर देते हैं. हमारा नॉर्मल ग्रुप है, देन हमारा वीआईपी ग्रुप भी है. यू कैन जॉइन आइदर, इट्स कंप्लीटली योर विश. ओके, वहां पे आप लोग को सिग्नल्स मिल जाएंगे एंड यू कैन ट्रेड विद अस बिकॉज आई एम कमिंग लाइव इन द मॉर्निंग. अगर मिस हो गया, आपको मॉर्निंग में ट्रेड नहीं करना, दैट्स फाइन, दैट्स कंप्लीटली योर डिसीजन. ओके, एंड डोंट फॉरगेट हमारा जो, लेट मी पुट इट ऑन द स्क्रीन. Don't forget हमारा indicator. This will also help you guys a lot with trading. जैसे मैंने I started with this week when I spoke about the funded challenge. आप वो कर सकते हो. Demo account challenge कोई broker कर रहा है कहीं पे, आप उसमें यूज कर सकते हो हमारा ये particular indicator. या फिर आप you are scalping, you're intraday, whatever. You guys can use this indicator for any purpose. Okay, so that is why I'm trying to put this week I'm trying to talk about different ways जो आप हमारा indicator use कर सकते हो, because it is not just about daily trading. No, it's about a lot of other things that you can use that trader. हमने बनाया ही है इसे इस तरह से कि आप मल्टीपर्पज यूज कर सकते हो ट्रेडिंग के लिए, मल्टी चैलेंजेस, एंड गो विन दोस चैलेंजेस बाय यूजिंग आवर इंडिकेटर. व्हाई नॉट? एंड लेट अस नो कि आप लोग ने इंडिकेटर यूज किया एंड यू गाइज वन, एंड give us the feedback. And one more thing, traders, please don't forget to be very active on our chat. अब VIP chat पे हो, normal chat पे हो, be active. Because आप लोग जितना active होगे, आपका जितना input आएगा, उतना हमारे लिए easy होगा to provide you with services that will help you guys with trading. So please be active, very important for us. And I will see you guys. Okay, wait, I'll just go through the chat once. हाय मोहित, क्विक्स ट्रेडर बोल रहे थे कि सिग्नल चाहिए तो आपको डिपॉजिट करना पड़ेगा ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट पे. हमारा सिग्नल तो चैट पे नॉर्मली हम वैसे शेयर कर रहे हैं. ओके, सो आई थिंक देयर माइट बी अ मिसकम्युनिकेशन. मोहित, जस्ट चेक इट आउट विद विक्स ट्रेडर. ओके, बिकॉज इन चैट हम वैसे ही सिग्नल शेयर कर रहे हैं, प्लस आवर इंडिकेटर इज देयर, इट इज फॉर फ्री. आपको सिग्नल वहां से भी मिल जाएगा. प्लीज just clarify it with Wix. I will also see. Okay, and guys, do not forget to stay active on our chat. Very important. The more you guys are active, the more we can also understand you guys. So then bye. I'll see you guys tomorrow on the live exactly at the same time, 9 p.m. UAE, 10:30 India. So till then, keep trading. Bye.